Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting content. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how we can remove background and add new background in CapCut. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to use ClipChamp to automatically generate captions for your videos. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or just want to make your videos accessible to a wider audience, auto captions can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Go to Google search bar and search ClipChamp. Open it. First things first, make sure you have an account on ClipChamp. If you don't, go to clipchamp.com and create one. It's quick and easy. Now that you have an account, log in and click on the Upload button. Select the video you want to add captions to from your computer, and let ClipChamp upload it. Great! Once your video is uploaded, click on the Auto Captions button. ClipChamp's powerful AI-driven technology will start analyzing your video and generating automatic captions in real time. After the auto-captioning process is complete, you'll see the captions on the screen. Now, it's essential to review them for accuracy. While ClipChamp does an excellent job, sometimes it may misinterpret words or context.
can't stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and now I'm singing. Like, girl, you know I want your love.